The map is clear and sunny. I was looking around somewhere right now, and I'm going to go camping. I have several places. There's something I'm a little curious about. Take a look around there, then I'm going to go there. Middle. There seem to be a lot of places to eat. Wow, durian apara. One of my dreams. Build your own house. It's a life. A place to build that house. I'm going to see it. Actually, I used the seal several times before. I used to go there. It's exactly my favorite place. There was something missing. A place worth living in while feeling a bit wild. So take a look at those places. I'm looking for it. I wish there was a kid I liked. I hope so. The more you go in, the more. It feels like a different world. Oh, this place is perfect. I think it will appear in that historical drama. Is it here? A lot of people came to the outskirts. Mountains and nature. I have a desire to be together. Mountain to the fullest. Just below. I'm looking for a place. Life with Nature 5. How many spiders are there? What do you mean? There are spiders gathered here. This is enough for a spider insect. Behind the house like this. Absolutely like this. Natural and natural. Such a wonderful feeling. There was a mountain together. First today. The reason I came to see this place, it's because of this. I feel like something is coming out. Wow, this place is full of rice. Up by here. It's a bit natural and really cool vibe. It's good. These are exactly the feelings I like. There are spider webs everywhere. Wow, but it's really natural. You could build a house with something like this. What is that and what is that? Wow, this tree is really cool. I don't think it will open or not. UH open. Oh. 5, are you there? Let's go. Because my house is the end house. 5, is this also a set? Scary thing. I was quite surprised to see it. It's so rusty and worn out. There won't be anyone. I thought about it. I'm a little scared. Oh, what is that? It's over there like iron bars. There are bars over there. I have to use this. Oh, crazy. That person lived and goes away. I saw an elk. Oh, was that the door or not? Door? There's no way there's a cliff here. I think it's locked. I think I have a key. Lock over there. I can't do it. I have to go. It was a wonderful space. Day like today. If only the seeds weren't this clear. I think it must have been very suspicious. Thank goodness. This continues. There are so many half-tree branches here. Surprised by the sound of tree branches being stepped on. I'm surprised. Was it a sign not to come? Oh, there was that Garan earlier. Such mountain animals. I guess it comes down a lot from here. So this place is blocked like this. It's all like this. It's chained. It's thick, but there's that somewhere. What is a landslide-prone area? Oh, it's a snake. It's a snake. It's a snake. It's a real snake. Oh, it's a vulnerable area for a generation. Oh, I was surprised to see a snake. Just looking at the tree branches now. I'll be surprised. Oh my, he hid there. I'm going. I hid here earlier. Oh my. I shouldn't have gone in. 5 food duke. My heart has grown to the size of a pea. Let's go. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. I feel like I experienced some kind of fear. Still here. There are still some raw fish restaurants. In the old days, my grandmother's house was also a black house. Let's blow in the furnace. Very hot in the living room. I slept like a fire and did this. Oh, I'm thirsty. I need to eat something for on the way. Oh my, you're suddenly cute. Should I give you something to eat, baby? Where are you, meow? Oh, meow. Is this house meow? I go in confidently. Wow, what is this house? It's so cool. It's very cool. There are a lot of cool kids here. Hello. I'm just going to take a picture of myself. What's delicious now? These plums are delicious too. Oh, the tea is so delicious. You put it here. No, I put it at the same time, ahaha. It's an array. It can also be a mask account. Thank you. You can eat this right away. Oh, can you wash up here? Oh, yeah. Oh my. Thank you, please come in, yes. And looks delicious. Have I only ate the amount to eat today? I'll take it with me like this. It was good. Washed up. After a while there is a speed bump. Oh yeah, okay. I'll be there, It's the second place. This is the second place right now. Oh my gosh, why are you like this? What came with it from there earlier? So it's hard. Is this place? All the way into this. I need to go in more. All the way inside that mountain. If you go up. I guess it's this lot. The bottom is very green. That's very nice. Who else lives there? How does Frog go there too? Well, at this level, I think you can almost garden it. Here, the weeds look very pretty. It blooms a little here. There are so many kids. I climbed the tree like this. I don't think it looks bad. Is it land down here too? Oh, there's a way here. Not this way. The bushes here are like this. Make a hill here. I guess it's flat up here, to the side over there. I can't pass by. I'm going up and down. This heck came over, but that tree. It's a tree here. 5, it's cool, the tree is really cool. Wow, what about in here? I really can't guess right now. There is a walking path this way. Then let's go for a walk. Already on the mountain earlier, meet various kids. Oh my, it's a punishment this time, and... Oh, there's water flowing here. It's calm, but the water flows through the valley. By the way, is everyone going there? The road is a bit difficult. Not many people go. Same. The road is all blocked. But here it is. It's neat. That same suspicious feeling from before. Earlier when he first entered there. So natural and wild. I said it was so good. Something there. Weird. I think I came with the kid. No, you can't say this. The weather is a bit hot today. But the wind blows through here. It blows so coolly. Is it a breeze? I came to see where to live. Why like this? Spider web, wow, be surprised. Is this the way to the grave? There's some kind of stone wall piled up here. Oh, it's a grave. I'm on my way to the grave, just take out again. A little today, Ki Tanchan. I think I have a lot of experience. What is this? What is this? Does anyone know? It looks amazing. Well, what? Is this tree? Is it this tree or this tree? To the second place. I saw it all, but everywhere I go, there's some energy. Am I so good? Do you wander around looking for rough places? It's also unfortunate. Anyway, There are some good places I've seen. If you want, please make a recommendation. This place, I think it would be okay to do something. If you give your opinion, we will actively reflect this. Is this also the way to block me? Here in hand. It came with a spider web. Strangely enough, everything came here. Feed, look at that Sarbian family. Should I eat some sweet food? Oh, it's full of ants. I guess it's because it's sweet. Isn't this balsam? Originally, we had to do it together. Is this going to be some water? This balsam water. Take it in now. If you stay until the first snow comes, they say your wish will come true. I'm going to have some expectations. But now this. If it doesn't contain alum, I don't think it will work. He made it so cute like this. Release it as late as possible. As much as possible. I'm trying to make it settle down a bit. If you don't put it in this time, this is very faint. It won't go long. I have memories of disappearing. Originally today. Take a quick look. Go straight to the campsite and go lululala. I was going to have a lot of fun. Oh, but something today. I think I need to stay calm. Something happened in the car today. Cozy. I think I need to stay a little longer. I keep fouling. It suddenly rains. Know what's going on? 5 Omegle down. Suddenly it rains heavily. Something today. Like Unxiang class day. Should I say it feels that way? Okay, I'll just sleep in the car today. It doesn't look hot. I tried to be cool. How about it? The rain has stopped before I know it. I feel like the sun will set if I ask for it. I need to go quickly. I have to go quickly and cook food. Let's go quickly. Food utensils. And then burdens. I brought it inside. Hey, when this back is flattened, it's much better. This originally covered the trunk. I thought it would be a little better. I tried it once. Actually, I'm leaving this behind. I brought it with me. Still, because I brought an air mat today, leisurely and generous, I think I can sleep well. Then the mat will be there later. I need to lay it down before going to bed. Until then, I need to let go here too. Only wide. I'm still in a bit of a hurry in the evening. Just changed the temperature of the air conditioner. I quietly adjusted it a bit. I'm going to stay in here for a bit. A little bit here. Add some cool lighting. Atmosphere. Should I upgrade it a little more? Take this side down. After making it low, I think it would be okay to sit down. This thing on the floor. There's some space left in between. Add it to the back seat and even between the front seats. I think I can connect it a bit. Once, I'm going to do some testing. If this fits perfectly, I think it feels really good. Oh, there's something like this. Completely perfect. 5, it's like a sofa. I can hear all the mosquitoes. There's a mosquito coming in now. Because there is. Where did you go and what was there? There was blue, There is no sound at all. Oh, I guess I caught it. Oh, he's dead here. Oh, I just found that stable posture. I just lie down and cook like this. Should I try this after eating? If this boils, I'm just going to eat dumplings. Eat this first, then we cook again. When I'm watching, when I'm hungry, drink a glass of grain wine first. It's so delicious. It rains little by little. Oh, I didn't add any soup. It's really sweet. Just put a lot of this in. Because it boils, the broth that comes out of there, things like that, it just shakes my heart. The pitch is a little plump like this. It's just right. I am so lovely. I just added some stone. It's perfect. Here earlier, I added a lot of water again, keeping bubbling. Even without teeth, when ripe enough to eat, one want to eat it? No, I can eat it. When it ripens a little more, it's much softer. Oh, I think it will melt. My dim sum earlier was. I can't even find a trace. After eating something spicy, powerful tteokbokki, from the moment I smell it, because I can just imagine the taste, there's a little bit of saliva on this side. As expected, the appetizer was not enough. The rice cake comes so gently. Child actor is good. If you add radish together, it becomes slightly reddish. On its own eye, that slightly sweet taste. Seasoned accommodation Pam, it even felt so tasteless. I like the combination.